we've got some bargains to help you live green and clean, offered exclusively to our viewers for the next 24 hours only. Please welcome back to the show, Monica Mangan. Always a pleasure.
Hey.
Hi, Monica.
Hello. So we've partnered with some awesome brands to bring you all of these deals. They're good on the website for 24 hours. And let's start here with Lotus. So you guys each have one there. What these bags do is they actually let you go from cart to car to kitchen with your groceries. So you can see the bag you have, Kelly, drops right down into here. It comes as a 4-set. And there's one that's fully insulated, so all of my frozen goods can stay cold. There's a spot for eggs. There's a spot for wine. These make shopping so much easier. And then also we're not using plastic produce bags. We have these reusable ones. You guys have ones there right in front of you. You can check them out.
Incredible.
So your apples, your produce, it's great. These bags can hold up to 70 pounds. So they're really big and durable. They're going to make your shopping so much easier.
But this customer